Hello students, welcome to my video number 63, and as you can see I am going to start the discussion of question answers of this lesson, a report on cleanliness. So let us see which questions are given at the back of the lesson. So here, as usual in all the chapters, we see there are two different headings in the questions. First one is an extract and the next one is a answer these questions. So we are going to see the kind of questions given here and let us see what are the possible answers. So first we see here under A, there is an extract given. As we can't teach it as subject like chemistry, geography or biology, we did the next best thing. This is the extract. First question is, what does it refer to? Now we know what does it refer to. This it, as we can't teach it as a subject. So it refers to cleanliness. Second one, who says these words? These words are said by the principal of Presavior School, Mrs. Lata Mishra. That you will write down. Next one, what is the next best thing? So according to the extract, it is asking what is the next best thing. So the next best thing that is done by the school is that it gives prizes to students who maintain cleanliness and appoint students as cleanliness monitors. So like this, they motivate and encourage the students to keep the campus, keep the school campus neat and clean. So that is the next best thing that the school does. So that's about the extract based question. Now let us see under question B, we have 5 different questions. The first one is, how are some schools setting a good example? So here it is going to be a little long, lengthy answer, because as we see in the lesson, 3 different schools are discussed. So you all will be writing some part of each school, that the activities undertaken by the particular school. So what we see in the first, it is given here Lord Shepherd Senior School, and the different activities and programs undertaken by the school is given here. I just expect you to just write down the important things here, like the school went on a cleanliness march to their neighboring colony and village to convey their message of a cleaner and better India through banners, posters, slogans and street plays. This you will mention about this Lord Shepherd Senior School. Then you can take some point from the next school that is given here, Sherlock School. So Sherlock School, they which activity they did? They organized a wide range of events in the school, like skits, debates and speeches, and held inter-class and inter-house competitions, and there are a few other things given here. So you can just write down the important part of the activities that is undertaken by the particular school. And about Xavier School also, you can mention the kind of program undertaken by the school. So here you will make it very precise, don't make it very long, and write down the only the important activities undertaken by these 3 different schools. So that's about the first answer. Next one, what did Sherlock School organize? That's about a particular school here given, Sherlock School. What did it organize? The school organized a wide range of events which included skits, debates and speeches, and held inter-class and inter-house competitions. And this you can mention that it was done in the month of October 2014 when the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched by our Prime Minister. So this much you will mention here in this answer. Next one, question number 3. Why do you think the students and staff were motivated? Now this is of course asked about the Sherlock School only. Why the students and staff were motivated? So that this cleanliness become a daily habit of the students and the staff. So to make it a daily habit, a daily routine of the staff and the students, this particular program was conducted by the school, and it was done to motivate the staff and the students. So this you will mention in your answer. Next we have question number 4. What is the unique approach adopted by Xavier School? What is the unique approach? Let us see. It's given out here. the unique approach to cleanliness, the school has an agenda of action points for students, teachers, and other staff members to ensure that the school remains clean and free of clutter. So this much you can mention here, and that they take every day they take Swachhta pledge in their morning assembly. This you can include in this answer. Next one, we have question number 5. Why are academic institutions the best place to teach about cleanliness? Now, as we know, it's mentioned in the lesson also, and this is just a general information that academic institutions are the best place to teach any kind of value, any kind of moral. So here it's about cleanliness. So of course, here we can write down that academic institutions are the best place because children spend a good length of time in school, and that particular time can be utilized, apart from academic progress, can be utilized to teach this particular habit, this particular value. So that you can mention, it's given also here in the last paragraph. As children spend most of their time in school, academic institutions are the perfect places to teach the value of cleanliness at school, home, and public places, especially when traveling in buses and trains, visiting monuments, and attending functions. But students, I expect you not to copy down lines given in the lesson. Try to write the answers by your own self. So that's about the question answers of this lesson. Now coming to the different things that you're going to include in your copy, that you're going to write in your copy. After writing the name of the lesson, you will just summarize the lesson. A very short description you will write down, whatever is discussed in the lesson, a short summary of it. After that, only few words are given here, the meaning of them. So this word meaning you will mention in the copy, and after that you will write down the question answers as discussed here in the video. So that's about it for now. I'll get back with you in the next video with some new lesson, and take care everybody, and God bless you all.